Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I am Jacqueline DeLeon with Jacqueline DeLeon Style, and here we share all things affordable fashion. If it is warmer weather where you are or you're dreaming of that spring break vacation, this video has got you covered. I just got back from Maui and I have tons of outfits and great outfit ideas to share with you guys so that you are ready for that spring break warm weather trip. Today I'm going to be going over cool outfits, what to wear to the beach, some shopping, dinner outfits, every outfit to get you ready for that spring break vacation. As usual, I'm going to be sharing all of the outfit details, links, sizing, and everything in the description below. Spring break, here we come. Let's get into it. I do want to mention when it comes to packing, you don't want to obviously overpack, but you want to really include items that you can mix and match together, going from a pool look to a dinner look and everything in between. First, let's start off with your pool or beach look. I wanted to highlight this swimsuit that I got from Amazon because it's probably my most favorite bathing suit I've gotten this season. It is really pretty with the little floral details. It comes in like 6 or 7 different colors. I obviously got the black and white and the red. It fits true to size and it's really nice quality. Okay, the first outfit I want to talk about when heading to the pool, I wore this black and white bathing suit and I paired it with these crochet pants. It really gave it a cool, elevated, beachy vibe, and then I threw over a gauzy button down to kind of complete the look. What I love about this look is you can actually just wear the crochet pants with the swimsuit by itself as you're like lounging by the pool, or if you're heading to like lunch or breakfast or something like that, you can easily throw over that button down, button it up, and you look a little more pulled together. Another chic way to wear a bathing suit to the pool is with a flowy maxi skirt. So I paired the red one with this white maxi skirt and it was perfect for the pool and heading to the beach. And again, if you want to be a little more covered up, just throw over an easy breezy button down. When going on a beach vacation, you definitely want to have a good classic black bathing suit. Here is 2 different fun styles that I have. This is the little floral applique here, and this one has more of a cool trim with more of a plunging neckline. And with it being a classic black, you can easily mix and match it with shorts and cover-ups and things like that. Another classic piece to bring with you is just the basic black swimsuit cover-up. I got this one from Target, so it's super affordable, and it has a little tie in the front where your bathing suit just kind of peeks out. This is perfect to wear over that simple black bathing suit, or you can do the black and white floral one. There's so many easy ways that you can wear this. As I just mentioned, a black one piece is a must-have. So one of the outfits that I wore in Maui is this cute black bathing suit, and then I threw over these casual lounge beach shorts and a gauzy button down just to kind of complete the look when heading to the beach or the pool. One thing I always bring on my beach vacation trip with me is a white classic button down. This is a nice gauzy material, which is perfect for the beach. I always end up wearing it multiple times, whether I throw it over a bathing suit, I button it up for dinner. There's just so many ways that you can wear this. Okay, for the next pool look, I wore my white button down again and I threw it over this really cute, chic bathing suit. I got this from Target. It's really nice quality and I love the warm tones in it. It really goes good with the beach. And then I threw on this crochet maxi skirt. As you can see in the video, this outfit is really chic and pulled together, but really easy to wear to the beach. Since this is a beach vacation trip, I've got one more beach look. So here is that one-piece bathing suit that I shared that I got from Target. Here I paired it with these really fun, casual kind of lounge pants. Now the fun thing is you can wear this just with a bathing suit, or I threw over this crochet top as well to kind of complete the look. Obviously, I wore this together as a pool look, but I wanted to mention I really tried to have items that I could mix and match together. So these fun lounge pants, you could also wear them a little more elevated for dinner with that black button down, or the crochet top, throw it over those black beach shorts, and you've got another pool look. Okay, let's get into some effortless outfits that you can wear to dinner. Starting off, I want to talk about these elevated pants. They are one of my favorite pants that I've gotten from Abercrombie. They're really soft, crinkle material. They are very comfortable, but they're also really elevated and they're perfect for a beach vacation. So one of the nights for dinner, I threw over this little sweater vest and really got a casual chic outfit. As I mentioned before, when packing for a beach vacation, you want to make sure a lot of things can mix and match. So another outfit that I wore are these crinkle pants that I wore to dinner one night. I also wore it to lunch and I paired it with a denim crochet top and then that gauzy button down that I told you I get tons of use out of on a beach vacation. You know I love a good denim skirt, and I decided to bring my white one on this vacation because I feel like it's a little more beachy spring. And one of our nights for dinner, I paired it with this fun little top. It has like a little knot detail on the side, and then paired it with a cute little bag. Again, it's all about bringing items that you can mix and match together. So you could easily pair the white denim skirt with your black button down for another chic dinner look. Next up, I want to talk about shoes and what to bring on your beach vacation trip. Obviously, we want to be able to mix and match outfits, but you don't want to bring a ton of shoes. So I like to always bring 2 really cute flat sandals, a neutral pair and a black pair that you can kind of mix or match, and then 1 little neutral heel in case you want to dress up one of those dinner outfits. Of course, when going on a beach vacation, we have to have a cute bag, a beach bag. So I want to talk about the bags that I brought on my trip and what I recommend bringing on your beach vacation. So of course, you want to have a nice larger tote. This is so you can put all the things in here you need when you're heading to the beach or to the pool, sunscreen, things for the kids, all of that. This one has been my go-to. I got it from Amazon. It is such nice quality and it's a fraction of the price of the designer one. And it's really easy just to throw on and go. I also brought this little fun beach bag from Zara. What I love about it is you can wear it out at night or you can still wear it to the pool where you still can fit a couple necessities like sunscreen or your wallet or things like that, but not as big of a bag as this one. So kind of like one of those in-between bags. And then I love bringing a smaller clutch that's perfect for dinner. And I just got this one from Target. It is so cute and has all the little kind of beachy crochet textures to it. And then lastly, we don't want to forget about jewelry. I love packing a couple cute beachy inspired things. So just like this little shell beaded necklace that I got on, I love having a couple little beachy inspired layers, some nice earrings. These are actually shell earrings, so it kind of gives you that beachy vibe. So I brought a couple gold earrings and a couple necklaces and just mix and match them throughout the week. That is a wrap on my spring break beach vacation trip outfit details. Obviously, I threw in lots of little packing tips, so hopefully you guys got some good advice on that. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribing. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and my Amazon storefront on Jacqueline De Leon Style. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.